7 reasons people fail in internet marketing. So without further ado, let's go to the first one.
Strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business.
So this is learning from my experience as a property agent or a realtor. People tend to learn too much, but no action. So, people will start to think that, I need to go for a course. After that, they think that I need to attend a seminar. After that, they think that, I need to watch some videos, about affiliate marketing, about internet marketing. I need to learn everything, and it's never ready. So this is the symptom. People actually fail in internet marketing is because they touch base here a bit, touch base there a bit, but at the end of the day, there's no action being taken. And also people that are skeptical, it can't be so easy, it can't be so simple, just run traffic and then I get sales and then what next? If it is so easy, it wouldn't be my turn. There's no such thing. You need to start doing, then you know what can work, what don't work. Okay, so above all these things can be done along the way when you have already took action. So these are the, reading books, attending seminar, learning, watching video, all these things can be done together when you have take action so that you know what is going on. Then when you go and watch the video, you know what is applicable, you know what are the jargon that they are referring, they are talking about. That is actually making your learning more productive, more efficient. So this is point number 1. Tend to learn too much but no action.
The formula for us to be successful in this business when it comes to taking action is to first fire. Okay, get ready, and you fire, and then you aim. And that is the formula that we're supposed to take. It's not the typical get ready, you aim, and then you fire. Okay, that is the typical way. But no, in this business, you get ready, you fire first, you get feedback, and then you realign, and then you fire again. You get feedback and then you realign. So when buying traffic, it's the same. Okay, you take aim, you look for your solo ad vendor, you fire, you buy the traffic, you get the feedback, right? How much opt-in is there? What is the sales, the conversion? And then you take alignment again. If it's not good, you switch, right? Switch a vendor. If it's good, you go and you scale in even more.
Fear of missing a step in the process. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Sometimes we tend to feel that, hey, I think I missed something, and we will just stuck there, and we don't move because we feel that, hey, I missed out this step, I cannot go to the next step. Maybe this step is just a simple, email, or just you just need to send out to see the result, and we tend to find, hey, what's the best product, which product can convert, how we know, we will only know when we send it out, and we run traffic, we buy traffic from this particular seller, then we know whether it's good or not. Because I see successful internet marketer, they are doing the same thing, they're just sending out email. It don't make a difference. When they send out email, it works, and we send out email, don't work. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. It have to work. Maybe the only difference is the other person got a bigger list size, so his hit rate is higher. That's simple. This is actually a very common common mistake in internet marketing. Okay, because what touch your heart and answer this. Do you actually after buying 100 clicks or even 300, 500 clicks, you keep checking your ClickBank account whether you got sales, check again, 1 hour later you check.
I am guilty too.
Yeah, so even the expert like Shawn is guilty. I believe all of us are guilty, including myself. Yeah. So we shouldn't do that. Okay, what we want to one thing that I personally do is I check my ClickBank account once a day, and after I finish my internet marketing, that's it. I can do other things. I can do my property work and all the things. Nothing to do already. You don't need to log in and check your account. That is not work. That is expecting instant result, and we keep seeing nothing. It will demoralize us. So when it demoralizes us, we will naturally give up. So don't check so too often. Lack of commitment. Basically, in the internet marketing business, though is so much easier than us going to work, going to do our labor work, but we still need to have a certain amount of commitment into this business. Okay, so for those people who are still setting up your account and all those things, the main thing we always have is distraction. All right, so distraction, we can just do one step, 1.5 step, then we get distracted, and then we say tomorrow, then continue. Then tomorrow got something else, the next day then start. Then end up never start at all, then just cancel, and then that's it. All right. So basically, we just need to set a good 2 hours, put your phone aside, close your door, on your aircon, and get the thing started and see the flow, So this is the starting point. We have to have a certain level of commitment to this business. It's not just a trial, and see how is it, that kind of thing. All right. So, okay.
Guys, whatever Eddie is sharing right now is the exact things that he is doing to be successful, right? So, guys, you guys have, at the start of this live, I asked you guys how much time are you spending on your business, and we are seeing the average time of 1 to 2 hours, right? Then the question is, what are you doing in that 2 hours, right? It can't be you're spending 2 hours to write an email. If you're an email ATM upgrader, it'll take you 5 minutes, right? But what are the rest of the time being spent on, right? So that you don't have to figure out what do you have to do within your 2 hours per day to be spent on email marketing. You see, it's all there. Building a folder of subject lines and swipes, setting aside a budget, right? Setting aside an hour to learn messages, right? Setting aside 1 2 hours to do your research, do your broadcast, recording of data. So all these things are basically what you can do, right? When you have your own free time, or when you have allocated 2 hours or 1 hour per day. These are the things that you are supposed to be doing.
Not knowing what is going on. I believe, touch your heart, not all, but some of us, I believe we don't know what is going on. So this is something definitely we will fail, because even if we make money, but we don't know what is going on, we will give up. Because it is as good as gambling. If we make money and then we don't know what is going on, I call it gambling. What I would suggest, if you do not know what is going on, you can just PM me, Facebook, PM me, and then ask me what if you don't know what's going on. Giving up when things get tough. Right. So I hope this picture is proof the point. Giving up when things get tough. Okay. So in internet marketing, there are times where things get tough. Things get tough in terms of, example, we buy clicks. How come no sales? How come our opt-in rate is so low? How come I built my list size to 5,000 already, but I don't see anything? So all these things will come and trick your mind. So as long as you know what you're doing, of course you don't do something that you don't know and then trying to do something that you are not the expert. Trying to use different traffic and all these things, and then you try so many different things, touch base and go, definitely you'll give up because you are not going deep enough.
As long as you do not give up on this business, you will be profitable. Does it make sense? If you guys really know the numbers, go back to the first live. If you guys project the numbers out, you will know that in this business, all it takes is perseverance. You can be the dumbest of the dumbest, to be honest, right? You don't have to be the smartest guy out there. You can be the dumbest and you can still make money and be profitable and beat the smartest guy. Why? All you need is perseverance. Okay, so in this business, as long as you can last longer than what your mind tells you to do, right? If your mind tells you to give up, as long as you can outbeat your mind and continue lasting throughout this business, you will be profitable, right? So never give up, guys, right? Never ever give up.
Right. Yep. So the last point is traffic. In any business, we need traffic. Online, we need traffic. Offline, we need traffic. Okay. So let me share with you. Basically, if there's no traffic, it's as good as no sales. And in internet marketing, to be successful, no matter how smart this person is, he still needs traffic. There is no way for him to have no traffic and he is very good and he is successful. There's no way. There is definitely no way.
No traffic, no sales. I really love it. If you guys don't invest in this business, if you guys don't put money into this business, you are never going to be committed. That's just a reality of life. If you don't pay for anything, you don't spend your hard-earned money onto this business, you are not going to spend the hard work on this business. It's just a matter of life.